What's up, Roy?
He's like, there's a moving heater.
Roy's a little upset by something. There's an intruder in the house. Get it, Roy. Who is this culprit? What is that thing, Roy? What the hell?
Don't say hell.
What the heck?
Roy, save, protect us.
You could
Roy.
say hell though, because it's not. It doesn't exist. It's like saying what the Easter Bunny.
Oh, okay.
What the Tooth Fairy?
Don't say those things don't exist. They do.
Of course. I mean, I was talking about in actuality.
Roy, how are we gonna get into the kitchen?
Yeah, that thing's taunting you, man. Look, it's not even moving. It's not even afraid of your barks.
No, I don't.
And watching all the excitement. Oscar and his shy mommy. With her fancy slippers.
Whose slippers do they look like? You call them.
Mima's.
They're cozy and I don't trip in them.
Alright, Roy. Hey, seriously. Can't we all just be
Roy,
friends?
Can you, maybe we should stop it from oscillating.